Hello and welcome to La Jolla Home Theater and Automation's Tech Tip. My name is Paul Hager and today we're bringing you iTunes. That's right, we're going to be going over one of the cool features in iTunes, and one of those features just so happens to be called Up Next. And the Up Next feature is really cool because it allows the user, you, to decide what song you'd like to hear next. And you can choose multiple songs that you'd like to hear next, so that way you can pretty much fill up the next hour or two with music that you want to hear. And it does not have to be from the same playlist. So without further ado, here we go with iTunes and the Up Next feature. Alright, now, first thing we're going to want to do is open up iTunes. And when iTunes opens up, yes, my volume is turned all the way down, and that's because I don't want you guys to hear any music playing over my voice while I'm training you on iTunes. So let's move forward. We want to make sure that we're selected on songs. You can select albums, artists, whatever you like. For me right here, I'm going to just select songs, and I'm going to work with the Beatles right here. I'm going to go ahead and just click a song and play a song, let's say Because. And so now as you can see, my little cursor over here, it's moving alongside with the song, and you can see the song is passing 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see the second intervals going by, so the song is playing. And what I'm going to direct your attention to is this little icon right next to the top center window in iTunes. Now this little icon kind of reminds you of those scholastic days, and it looks like an outline for maybe a paper or a project. Now this outline looking icon is where we want to select, and that's where we're going to view what's coming up next. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this list right here, just because I don't want to have a full list of what's coming up next already in there. I want to make my own list. But just so you know, this list is put together by default from the next song that's coming up in your library. So it's nothing special for me. I want to change it up. Maybe I don't want A Hard Day's Night and Here Comes the Sun, as well as I'll Cry Instead, to be the next songs that come up. And as you can see, those are the first 3 songs right here that come up next. So I'm going to hit clear. So now when I hit my Up Next, I have no upcoming songs, and my song is almost finished. So I want to select a song, and how do I do that? Well, this is how you do it. You put your cursor over any one of the songs that you want to select. For example, Sun King. Now Sun King over here has this little arrow that appears right when I put my cursor over the song, and I can select this little arrow, and I can hit Play Next, which it will automatically play the next song, play this song as the next song. Or I can hit Add to Up Next. So if I hit Add to Up Next, I can come up here, and as you notice, the outline icon up here has turned blue, which is actually the Up Next icon. So I'm going to select that, and you can see the Sun King is now in this list. So I can go along to any of my songs, things we said today, add to Up Next, scroll all the way down, and now we have The Police, The King of Pain, add to Up Next, and Sarah Brightman. Let's say we want to do Nessun Dorma. We can select the arrow, and let's say I want to hear this song not just added to the Up Next list, but I want to hear this next. I want to make this the next song that I hear. I can hit Play Next, and as you can see, I'm going to go back to my Up Next over here. It automatically puts that at the top of all of my other choices. So that's the Up Next feature. And as you can see, there are some other features along with what you played in your history. So I can see, for example, I played this song Revolve. I can hit the arrow here. I can add that to the Up Next. I also have the option, whether it's from the song over here or from here, I have the option to add it to a playlist. I can go directly to that artist, to the song. I can show it in the iTunes store if I want to purchase it, or purchase songs like it using Genius. So the Up Next feature is quite involved. It's quite a feature, and it's a lot of fun to play with. So hope you enjoyed this little snippet of iTunes, and we'll be bringing you a lot more throughout the year during all of our tech tips. Again, my name is Paul Hager, and it's been a pleasure working with you today. Thanks again for joining us, and I'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.